Can you use Back4App to connect to WebSockets somewhere else? Hi, I'm Alex, the architect from Back4App, and this is Talking to the Architects, and today you'll be answering Samuel Jordan's question. Samuel Jordan asked, I have a WebSocket server publishing some data. Can I use Cloud Code to subscribe and retrieve that data in real time? Hi, Samuel Jordan, thank you so much for your question, and yes, you can. All you have to do is to go to npmjs.com and find the WebSocket npm module. If you scroll this down, you'll find a user example for a client. All you have to do is to copy this code, copy the subscription parts, change for your specific events, and Cloud Code will be able to connect to your WebSockets and read data in real time. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave in the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.